In this video, I'm going to give you a product demo of Tidio, the live chat app. I'm going to do this for Shopify stores as it can be an extremely useful app to use and it has quite a few features built in. So if we head to their demo store here, I can show you what it looks like here. I'll show you what it looks like in my own Shopify store, and then I'll give you a tour of the backend so you can get an understanding of the features that this product offers. So this is their demo store here, and you can see the live chat feature is going to be available here. And so if you want to open up this welcome message, it makes it super easy to chat with an existing chatbot. So you could hit any of these buttons to respond. You can also type in your own message. And so these are pre-configured chatbots, and they actually do have the power for an AI assistance as well, and it's available on one of their plans. So if we take a look at my own demo store here, you can see I've changed a few things such as the label text, and I've just changed some of the options such as reply in 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like for the customer in terms of just that chat widget. Tons of customizability on the appearance as well as the positioning of it. But let's head into the backend so I can give you a tour here and a demo of what it's going to look like for you. So to start, we'll go to the inbox. So the inbox is going to make it really easy to stay on top of your customer service conversations. You can integrate this app with tools such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and email all on top of the live chat widget, and it's going to organize them very nicely. I did mention they have an AI assistant. This is called Lyro, and it's going to help answer up to 70% of customer questions. If we move on to the chatbots, they make it really easy with existing templates to add to your chatbot, such as they have strategies for increasing sales. So it's going to include 3 separate chat flows here to help increase engagement, increase conversions from cart abandonment, and prevent cart abandonment with what they call as a cart booster. So it makes it super easy to access those. If I wanted to activate this strategy here, I can just click use this strategy, customize all my messaging. I can have a custom coupon code, click next. I can then customize the cart booster, again by customizing the same parameters. And then I could click activate if I was satisfied with that. Now to note, I don't have any affiliation with this app here, but it is an extremely popular app for Shopify stores. You even get the ability to create these chatbot workflows from scratch. And you can do so on this page by clicking create from scratch. And if we go look at an example one, I can click on the proactive welcome message, click edit, and I can see they're all trigger based. So it's going to be first time on visit, depending on the chat status, whether you have people online or offline, it's going to send them a welcome message. They also have some email marketing built in. It's going to have both campaigns and automated flows. So these campaigns are going to be your one-off campaigns for promotions or anything like that. They have quite a few pre-built templates. We can see Christmas templates, Black Friday promos, depending on the time of year. They also have automatic workflows. So these are going to be flows that are set up automatically, as the name describes. And so it's basically a template such as welcome new subscribers. So if a person subscribes, you're going to send them a short automated email sequence. These are usually time delayed, so maybe 24 hours after the conversation. You're going to try to build a relationship there. The same goes for the abandoned cart reminder, as if you don't have one set up already, you really should, as it's going to help increase your overall conversion rate, as many people abandon their carts, and so getting them to come back through email, which is not going to cost you anymore, because you don't have to re-advertise to them. Just remind them that they have their cart, you could give them a discount, and this should help with your conversion rate. They also give you lots of detailed analytics around your conversations, your tickets, your operators who are part of your team, your leads, your sales. This can give an overview here of how the app is working for you. There's also tons of settings here, from the appearance of the widget to the chat page, to Facebook Messenger linking to canned responses. If you're responding to a lot of the same things, you can create little shortcuts which will help speed up your responses, such as some pre-built ones are #hi. And that's going to say, hello there, what can I help you with? If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. You have all your different calculations, from your ad spend to your cost of goods sold to your transaction fees to your Shopify app fees and so on. And this can be a lot of work to put into a spreadsheet. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to see real-time analytics, as well as tons of different metrics and charts so you can make smarter business decisions for your store. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many cost of goods sold options. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can check everything out for yourself, and you can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly, so make sure you check that out there. So this is going to conclude the video of the demo of the Tidio backend as well as the live chat widget. Overall, an extremely popular app for Shopify merchants, and it's very easy to set up and it has tons of features built in. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.